Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday, 13th of July. Let's look at cable now, which has just struggled in the last couple of sessions. I've just started to sort of talk a little bit more in the last two days or so about this downtrend that we've got. This 7-month downtrend on cable since that December high. That was the election day in UK where cable rallied, and then since then has basically been trending lower. And that downtrend comes in at 26.95 today. Now it's interesting that the market, 26.90. It's interesting that the market has been sort of hovering in the last 2 or 3 sessions, really underneath that resistance. Just starting to lose a little bit of impetus in those stochastics now this morning, as it's sort of backed away from that resistance. 26.70 seems to be the resistance that it keeps hitting in the last few sessions. Falling back, and this little trend higher is also, over the past 2 weeks, is also starting to be sort of threatened. So yeah, it's still in the recovery, having completed this little mini base pattern. 25.40 is the neckline of that pattern. It's holding above that, you're still fairly positive, but the weight of that downtrend is a worry, and losing that uptrend as the momentum indicators just begin to sag a little bit could be a little bit concerning. But whilst above 25.40, I'm still confident of this being a decent recovery play, and essentially you're still positive on cable until you sort of breach 24.35. So it's still a recovery play, but just sort of lacking the impetus in the last couple of sessions, and the bulls need to sort of come back pretty quickly and get the impetus behind them so they can break out through that uptrend and then start to think once more about 28.10, because essentially 28.10 is an implied target from that little base pattern anyway. So we're still confident of that being seen, but just a little bit of a disappointing run of candles in the last couple of sessions. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.